welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys things that I got from Miniso. Basically, this video is going to be a Miniso haul, and the best part about the video is going to be that everything that I'm going to share is under 200 rupees. So the things that I have got are very cute and also budget friendly and useful at the same time. So yeah, if you're interested to know what all I got, please keep on watching the video. So let's start with the cheapest item in today's haul. So I got the sheet mask for ₹60 and personally I was attracted because of the price. अभी तक मैंने जितने भी sheet mask use किए, they are priced at ₹100 or 150. So I just thought, why not? For 60 rupees, I think it is going to be a steal. And also because it's summertime, and summertime our skin needs that instant hydration. So what's better than a sheet mask, right? So yeah, I'll give you my opinion about them once I try it. So the second product that I got is again a type of a sheet mask. So basically ये compressed sheet mask है. Now ये पूरा डब्बा I got this for 150 rupees. Now I'll quickly show you how it looks like. It comes in a pack of 30. तो ये सारे 30 sheet masks हैं. I basically got this for two reasons. The first reason is that I wanted to use the excess serum from the sheet mask again, like for the second time. So it comes with a bowl, so you can pour the excess serum and simply pour rose water into this, and then all you have to do is open this mask and you just have to put it inside this. So it is going to soak up all the serum or all the rose water, and it is going to turn out into a sheet mask. So all you have to do is place it on your face and just use it as a sheet mask basically. The second reason I got this, because I feel I'll take this when I travel with my friends and distribute it amongst them, and you know, it can quickly turn into a skincare session. That's what I personally like to do. So I just thought, you know, it's such a cute thing to do when you are on trips and when you need that instant hydration. So the third item that I got is this head wrap. Now this is for 150 rupees and this is how it looks like. It is also stretchable and the quality is too good. So for 150 rupees I feel it's a complete steal, and yeah, it's very soft as well. I got this because I can wear this while I do my skincare or basically when I apply a face mask. So it will just keep my hair in the place, and yeah, I just got it because it's cute, I wouldn't lie. And obviously because of the color, it's blush pink. I love blush pink, and I feel abhi jitne bhi products I'll be showing you are in blush pink. And yeah, this is also available on Amazon, so I'll link it in the description box below. If in case you're interested, you can check it out. So the next thing that I got is this loofah. I think it's priced for 120 or 150 rupees. I really don't remember the price, but it's a complete miss for me because I am not liking this product. I basically thought that ये जो क्या है ये, हाँ, ये जो स्ट्रॉबेरी है ना वो अलग आएगा, but I was wrong. So I just feel because of the strawberry it makes it very uncomfortable to use. So yeah, I think I'm not happy with the product, so I'm just using this for the time being. But again, I just got this because of the color, nothing else. And for 120 and 150 आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे loofahs मिल जाएंगे market में. Moving on to the next blush pink product. So I have this mirror. Oh, ulta. So I have this mirror from Miniso. Basically, this was a gift from Saurav on my birthday. So this is how it looks like. I wanted to buy this from a very long time because मेरा जो पहले वाला hand mirror है वो टूट गया, and I really want to start filming makeup tutorials. So yeah, he very kindly gifted this to me and I was very happy. I'll quickly show you how it works. So you have to open it and इधर एक stand जैसा है. So yeah, ये ऐसे stand जैसा खड़ा रहेगा and you can do your makeup or anything. This is priced for 150 rupees, and for 150 rupees, if you are getting such a cute mirror, जिसका color भी blush pink हो, so why not, right? So I personally feel Miniso have good options when it comes to mirrors, so you should definitely check it out. So the next product that I got, which is again in blush pink color, is this hanger. So this comes in a set of 10 and it is priced for 160 rupees, and oh my god, this is my favorite product in the lot because it is so sturdy and its quality for the price, it is too good, and I feel it takes the weight of everything. I have hanged a heavy coat also on this. I have hanged my sweatshirts on this, but अभी तक एक भी hanger ऐसा नहीं है जो टूटा है. So I have 20 hangers all together and सबका quality is just too good. So again, if you're looking for hangers, do check out Miniso. They also have wooden hangers if I'm not wrong. So basically you'll get many budget friendly options, and yeah, that's about the hanger. Moving on to the next product. Now I have these cute say nail pens from Miniso. So I basically have 3 nail pens from Miniso. एक पर्पल कलर में है, मैंने वो भी आपको एक वीडियो में बताया, लिंक दैट ओवर हियर. सो आई पर्सनली फील कि Miniso के जो नेल पेन्स है दे आर रियली गुड. आपके नेल्स ईजिली चिप्ड नहीं हो जाते. बट I'll show you the difference. So basically I work with my right hand, right? So as you can see मेरे nails जितने भी है वो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा chipped हो चुके हैं. And on the other hand I don't use my left hand so much. So as you can see nail pens chipped नहीं हुए हैं. So if you're someone like me who eats with your hand, आई फील कोई भी नेल पेंट ले लो वो चिप तो होने ही वाला है. सो इफ़ यू आस्क मी, आई फील फॉर 90 रुपीज़ दिस इज़ रियली नाइस बिकॉज इट ड्राइज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइसली एंड द टेक्स्चर एंड एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट टू गुड. आई क्विकली शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. So this is how it looks like. The brush and everything is also very nice. And the second bottle was gifted to me. So ये थोड़ा glitter-ish है and just look at it. This one is also priced for 90 rupees. इनके जितने भी I think nail pens they are priced for 90 rupees only. So moving on to the next item. The next item that I have with me are these cute little bottles. Now ये कांच के हैं and I got them for 190 rupees. Like दोनों मिला के 190 rupees. So basically one bottle is for 190 rupees. But उनका कुछ offer चल रहा था. So that offer was if you buy one you'll get one free. So I basically got the black one free. I was going to pick this one because ब्लश पिंक है एंड आई वॉन्टेड दिस बिकॉज इस पर गर्ल पावर लिखा है. सो आई यूज़ दिस टू स्टोर माई कॉटन जो अगेन पैस्टल कलर के हैं जो अभी ख़त्म हो गए. एंड आई यूज़ दिस वन टू ड्रिंक माई कॉफ़ी और यू नो जस्ट रैंडमली टू ड्रिंक एनी ड्रिंक. इवन व्हेन आई कीप दिस एनीवेयर ऑन द टेबल और एनीवेयर इट लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड एवरीवन जस्ट कीप ऑन आस्किंग मी कि ये कहाँ से है. I think apart from black and blush pink, they also had blue and yellow colors available, but I personally like them. So the next item that I have with me is this purse. Now, this was a gift to me and this was gifted to me by Neha, my sister. So yeah, this is how the purse looks like. I was personally in love with this because I think अभी तक तो guess करना चाहिए because of the color. It's blush pink again and I feel ऐसे जो कलर होते हैं ना, मतलब जैसे ब्राइट वाइब्रेंट या पैस्टल कलर्स होते हैं, दे एड सो मच टू योर outfit when you are wearing a monochrome outfit or where you want to add an extra element which will just enhance the look. I feel you should definitely invest in bags which have these cute colors and also which have vibrant colors like yellow, etc. You get my point. So I just think this was a smart move and thank you Neha for gifting this to me. I really like this and I don't know the price because this was gifted to me and I can't ask her because she won't tell obviously. So moving on to the last and the costliest item in this haul is this hairbrush. Now I got this for rupees 200. It also comes with a hair scraper so इसका वो value added point जैसा हो जाता है ये, but I feel this is of no use because you can quickly remove the hair with your hands rather than using this because it's very time consuming honestly. But I have my personal reasons to get this because I feel this brush helps you to detangle your hair very quickly, very easily as compared to the other normal brush which you use. I personally feel if there is one product that you need to get your hands on in this haul is this brush because you will definitely see the difference when you use this brush. It is definitely going to make your detangling process very easier as compared to the normal comb. So yeah, that's about it. Also for 200 थोड़ा सा pricey लगा मुझे, but I feel for the quality and for the color it's all good. Like for 200 I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. I forgot to show you guys this candle, but I have already showed this candle in my previous video, so if you're interested to know more about this you can go and definitely check out that video. But this is for 190 rupees and yeah, I feel it's a complete steal again. So yeah guys, that was it for my Miniso haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And yeah, let me know in the comments box below which was your favorite item and which is the product that you're looking forward to buy. And for more daily updates you can definitely go and follow me on my Instagram because I'm quite active over there. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.